Alright. This is a safe way to do it. So that, you know, they don't get away from us. It's the way they used to do it back in the days. You know? So here we are. Made it over to the mother country. Flew over for a minute with my girls. A little. I wonder what it's gonna be like when we get up that hill up there. You think it's rough now? Shoot. Somebody complaining back there. Somebody hot. Do we have to do this again? How many times? I hope it's the last round. What I told you about touching animals in the mouth too. You might lick on this. Oh, did I say that on camera? Man, it's hot. Man, hot back there. Oh, I'm gonna hold on. I don't fall. It's kind of a long way to go. You know what I'm saying? Watch my head here. Yeah. You know, I never thought I would be sitting here ride on the back of a camel. This is definitely a blessing. Going on through here. I hope no elephants come. Yeah. Lord knows we don't want no, what do they call them? Hippopotamus. We don't want no hippopotamus to jump out at us because we locked on this thing here. We can't get away from it.
Hippopotamus.
What is that? Rhinoceros. No, I didn't pay attention in class too much. I was too busy watching the girls. But it's going to be interesting here to see how we make this happen. Oh, yes. Hey, loiter. Hello. All right. Yeah, I hope you're not going up that mountain. Hope y'all enjoy the ride. Gotta watch out for my battery.
Bye, guys.
Something tells me I've been touring down south.
There's a serious storm coming this way. They have gotten taken. This is a video of where we hung out with one of our friends. Very, very nice. Chill. Backyard, kind of New Orleans thing out. Nice tree, isn't it? Love that tree, yes indeed. Yeah. Very pretty. Just want to add that little tidbit in there. This is the Dejean family coming at you live 2016 from the Grand Canary Islands. And somebody just coming back from the store. And we just want to share with you a little bit of what God has allowed us to do. And we're standing in what is the premises that goes back as far as the 1400s. This island was the training ground for taking over all countries and all lands. Enough on that. Let's get down to the blessings that God has bestowed.